Have you ever wondered why you should never help this injured bird? As soon as people see this bird with a broken wing, they try to get closer and help her. But that's actually a big mistake. You've probably seen videos where she's dragging her wing and slowly moving farther away. But if you get too close, she suddenly flies away. This bird is called a killdeer, and she's doing this for a very important reason. Since killdeer build their nest directly on the ground, their eggs are extremely exposed to danger. So instead of protecting the nest, the bird pretends to be injured to distract the predators and pull them away from the nest. But still, you haven't liked this video.